humorous moment, and Sara Ali Khan's reaction. Sometimes, moments on a cricket field become memorable not just because of skill, but also because of humor and entertainment. In a recent Pakistan vs India match, Pakistan's cricketer Harith's Rauf created an amusing and entertaining moment that amused not only the fans, but also the Indian spectators. During the match, Indian spectators were teasing Harith's Rauf while he was fielding at the boundary. In response, Harith humorously started acting as if Rafaels were dropping, signaling with his hand or fingers 6, as if to say, "Look, I'm performing something impressive." The funny part was that the Indian spectators actually thought Harith was signaling real Rafaels, whereas in reality, it was just a lighthearted and playful gesture during the game. Meanwhile, Bollywood actress Sara Ali Khan laughed and raised her hands, saying, "Enough. Now forgive him. And don't tell anyone that Pakistan dropped 6 Rafaels." In reality, India won the match, but this playful moment between Harith's Rauf, the spectators, and Sara Ali Khan became a memorable and humorous highlight of the game. For more such entertaining videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.